Hi, welcome to Robey Elementary School. I'm Sarah Ewing in 3rd grade. We've been studying the different types of energy: mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, and sound. Get ready for Rick.
Hey, thanks for that introduction. It's given me some energy. So we've been talking the last couple of weeks about energy, mechanical, electrical, all these different types of energy. But today we're going to focus on one, my favorite. In fact, it's the one we're going to talk about is light energy. Light energy. And I brought a bright light. So I hope that, and I love coming in here because look what you already did. Light can do three things. Light can, what's this word?
Reflect.
Reflect. So reflect kind of means it bounces, right? Right? And light can also, this is a hard word, I didn't know you knew this word.
Refract.
Refract. You know, so,
Light bounces off.
and that means it kind of bends, okay? Or light can absorb. So we're going to learn about light that does this. Reflect, or light that goes refract, or light that goes and absorbs. The sound effects are free, okay? Ready for that? Let's take a closer look at energy. Okay, so let's take a little closer look at energy. So here is a very scientific instrument. Okay, it's a slinky, but I love it, okay? And so the ladies are going to show us a wave of energy. Can you see it? It's going up and down. There you go. Maybe I can hide the light on the side here. Can you see that wave of energy? Very cool. Now, can you make two waves? A little bit faster. There's one big wave. Maybe quicker. Meanwhile, we're still one wave. The wave gets bigger. There we go. There's two waves. You see? Can you make more than two waves? I see some. Well, there's a lot of energy there. That's kind of cool. All right, so let's bring closer back together. Let's try something else. Come closer together. And let's see, closer and closer. All right, so now, hold it back up again. Let's try to see if we can send an energy wave. An energy wave. Kids, watch this. Pull it back a little bit more. Stop it from swinging. All right, ready? You can take your hand and hit it one time. Ready? Watch what happens. Oh, did you see the energy go back and forth?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Back up a little bit more. Okay, ready? I'm going to back up a little bit more. Here comes some energy. See if you can see it. Lift it up a little bit higher for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you see it go?
Yeah.
Can I have a student come up, a volunteer come over here? Okay, on the count of three, get on the other side of it there. You tap it. 1, 2, 3, tap. Whoa, that's crazy. Come over here in this end. Let's stop it. No, stay right here. You're fine. Ready? Take your hand like this. I'll do it first. 1, 2, 3. See how the wave goes back and forth? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, did you see the wave go back and forth? Okay, stop it. This time, hit it twice. 2 energy waves. Let's see what happens. Ready? Go. Oh, wow, that's very strange. Let's see if we can get a picture of it going down the wave. Ready? Here we go. One time right here at the end. Right here at the end. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it goes. Now, why don't you send a wave down the same time he sends a wave? On the count of 3, both of you hit it. 1, 2, 3. Do you see what it did? This time you send 2 waves, you send 1 wave. So you go tap, tap, you go 1. This is going to be weird. Let's see. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Did you see it go waves? So waves can be through a spring or they can be through light. Okay, so I brought this in. You may have seen this before. This is my wave and light machine. So I turn it on like this. Well, I turn the lights out and you see, let's see. Maybe you can see the ceiling, the different lights, and so I can change the speed of it, and I can change the length of it. see the lights even better like this. Check that out. Can you see it?
Now I can see.
So you see different, oh, there's chaos. Moving in closer together. There's some waves. Perfect. So this is showing light and waves. This one is kind of cool, kind of weird. I'll see if we can get it to go. Ready? That's kind of neat. Let me turn the lights off. We'll try it with the black light. Very strange. Very strange. So I like to try different things to teach about light. So here we go. Looks very interesting. Very strange. Let's turn the lights back on and see. So we got a wave, a light going. Pretty cool. There's a few more things I want to try. You ready? Check this out. Okay, so I got a one of my kind of fun light objects here that I like to use in science. And what we're going to do with this guy is I can swing it back and forth. And let's turn the lights on. You might see something. Check this out. It's white, but actually it's 3 different colors at once. Check this out. That's neat, huh? In fact, what color is it now? Red, green, and blue. In fact, red, green, and blue, when they go together on your TV set, they make all the different colors, including white. So if I slow it down, it's white. But if I spin it, here, you come spin it. You come join me. Here, take this one. I don't get to have all the fun. All right, so let's see if we can get both these going. Ready? Remember,
Okay.
Don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see. We go. Let's go. Wow, that's cool. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. So you see the light is a lot of different colors. And let's see, can we make it go? I'm going to make mine a small circle. Let's see, are you ready?
Make it smaller.
Make it smaller? I don't know if I can.
Smaller.
And here it goes. All right, let's have, you come try this. Here, come try it. Ready? Don't hit anybody, especially me. I'm
Don't
getting
hit
out
me,
of the way.
Crosslin.
There we go. Nice, good job. Nice job on that. Strange, strange, strange things.
Hi, Kevin. Can we try?
Come closer to the camera and keep doing it. Wow. Make it a small circle, Kev. You do a small circle. Oh, look at that. Come closer. You guys are pretty good at that. How'd you learn to do that?
I learned to do it because I used to have a thing that spinned.
Oh, you know spinning. Good. Okay, so we saw a lot of different colors that made a white light. There was a scientist named Isaac Newton. He made this wheel. Check it out. All these different colors, but when I spin it, go ahead and shine the light on there. When I spin it, what color? Do you see how it all blends together?
Yeah, it makes
And if I slow down, if I go fast, would you guys like to try this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check. Can you share with Rania?
Kind of hard. Yeah, it's hard.
So instead of having a fancy Newton wheel, you can make one of these. So I call this a whirligig. You know, it's an old toy. I just added color to it, and so you put the string through it. It's better if it's out of wood or cardboard. And then this is kind of cool. See the colors, kids? When they blend, let me wind it up. When they blend all together, and this is a fun thing to make. Maybe somebody will make it tomorrow for our live broadcast. See how I wound it up? Now I gave it some energy, potential energy. Ready? Watch. Hear it? And I can spin it. Takes a little trick to do it. Unless you can almost hear it. And see how all the colors blend together like that? That's cool. You want to try one of those? Yeah. Okay, that's my color whirligig. Okay, so here's something that you may have seen before. This has no energy. Now I'm going to give it some potential energy, right? Everybody say no energy.
No energy.
Potential energy.
Potential energy.
And when I let go, it's going to turn into kinetic energy. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this? No energy.
No energy. Potential.
1, 2, 3. And when it goes to kinetic energy, watch what happens to the energy on those beads. Are you ready?
Yeah.
One more time. No energy.
No energy.
Potential.
Potential.
1, 2, 3. Kinetic. Wow. Did you see that whole thing pop up like that? That was cool. That's a one-time deal. Then you have to set it back up again. I don't have the energy. Okay, so let's take a look at some sources of lights. Sources of light. S-O-U-R. It's on your worksheet. Sources of light. In this room, what's the first source of light? Go turn the lights off for me. What's one source of light in this room? Ready? 3, 2, 1. The ceiling lights. Okay, go ahead and write that. Ceiling lights. Go ahead and turn the lights back on. Oh, turn them off again. What's another source? Oh, look over here. The window. Would somebody go turn the window light out? Why can't you? Oh, it's the sun. So the sun is a source of light. Okay, ceiling lights, the sun. Draw a picture of it. Oh, what's another source of light in the room? Anybody? Oh.
Flashlight.
Thank you. A flashlight. You could draw a picture of it. Flashlight. So far we have ceiling lights, the sun, the flashlight. Hey, what about this one? You know what this is? Check it out. Draw it. Maybe you know what it is. What is that? Source of light. Anybody? Yes. A candle. Draw it. Write it. Candle. Here's another one. What about something like this? Check it out. Maybe you have it at your house. A lamp. Source of light. Oh, now you got me going. Here's one. Maybe you've seen something like this before. What is it?
I can't see cigarette.
Wait a minute. Source of light? Fire, right? Source of light. Draw it. Oh, I got another one. Maybe you have one for me. Ready? Here we go. Source of light. Oh, this is a good one. I love this one. Ready? Not the volcano, but lava is a source of light. That's pretty cool. I got another one. You ready? Write these, draw them. Sources of light. Oh, this one's kind of scary. Scares some kids. Starts like this. That's not light.
Lightning.
But that's not light. But what is light?
Lightning.
Lightning. Not thunder. Lightning. Lightning is a source. I got one more. Maybe you know what this one is. I don't know. Let's see. Starts like this. Tell me what you think this is. Don't say a potato.
Sun.
No, it's not the sun. It's got one of these things on it.
What is that? It's Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's a firefly.
It is a firefly. A firefly is a source of light.
I used to catch those.
Okay, you used to catch those? Okay, so here are some sources of light in the room. Draw them, write them. I want to see them on your paper. Ceiling lights, the sun, the flashlight, fire, lava, candle, a lamp, or even lightning. I'll give you a second to do that. Go ahead. Okay, now let's look at some things that light goes through, passes through. For example, I have some water right here, and I have my light. Let's see if light will go through this glass. What do you think? Turn the lights out for me, please. Let's see here. Here's my light. Let's see, does the light go through it?
Yes.
Yeah, look.
It makes it look clear.
Looks kind of, and look, even when I do this, it goes through it.
Awesome. Glass or clear.
So light goes through water, it goes through plastic, it goes through glass. Go ahead and write that on your worksheet. Everybody get a cup of water and a flashlight. Let's see if light travels through water. Hold your flashlight like this and put your light up above it like this and see what it looks like on the ground. See what it looks like on the ground. Hold it, not close. Lift it up high and see what happens. Now shake the water a little bit. Cool. Does it go through? Let's see. Nice. Get another flashlight then. All right, let's try this. Ready? Hold it like this. Shine the light through the bottom of it and look at the ceiling. Oh, check it out.
looks like a water parade.
It looks like a water. So light goes through water. Let's try it from the side, everybody. Cool. So light will reflect and go through. Let's try something else. This gets even better. Are you ready? Put your water down. I want to show you something. Watch. Light can, you told me at the beginning, light can reflect. Well, let me see. Turn your lights off for a second. Watch what happens when I shine the light here. Let's see if it goes somewhere. You ready? I'm going to see. Here goes the light. Ready? Oh, look up here in the ceiling. Look, it's bouncing here. See it up there?
I see it.
What do we call that? When light bounces?
Reflect.
No, that's reflect. Okay, look, let me shine over here on the clock. If I shine on the clock, you see it reflecting there? Would you shut the door for me? Shut the door for me. Where do you see it reflecting?
Over there.
On the cabinet. Cool. Oh, watch this. I'm going to shine it here on the desk. And where is it bouncing? Anybody see? On the ceiling. Cool. What else can I shine it on? Oh, I know. Let's shine it on, I have here something called a mirror. A mirror really reflects. And so I need somebody to hold my mirror for me. Come here, hold my mirror. Stand over here by me. I'm going to shine the light at the mirror, then I want you to shine the mirror light at everybody else. Ready? Everybody should have your lights turned off so we can try this one. Turn your lights off. Here we go. Be ready because I'm going to reflect this light. You be still for a second when we get there. Where's it at? Look.
Right up there.
You see it? Look at it. There it is. Cool. So can you move that light slowly? Look at her. She's moving it back and forth. Move the other way.
It's making us light. It's a potato.
I see a shadow. Very cool. All right, so everybody get your light. See if you can shine it at your desk. Thank you. Turn your light on. Shine it down at your desk. And see if it bounces up. Nice. Shine it down. It bounces up. All right, so now we know that light reflects, but it also refracts. Let me show you something cool. Light likes to bend. So here's my hand that's all white. But watch what happens when I put my hand over it. The light bends around my hand and turns red. Because when light gets bent, it'll turn different colors. Red, orange, yellow. Now this is even weirder. Watch this. Here's light reflecting off my mouth. But if I do this, I'm not even sure what it looks like. I wouldn't do it if I was you, because someone else has had that flashlight. Let's see if we can refract light one more time. Where's my water? Oh, watch this. My glasses, okay? Up on the ceiling. I have some glasses. These are very strange. Check this out. So there's my glasses, but look at the lenses. They're like weird. Look at those. See the refracting light? Now you know for sure that I'm part alien. Da-na-na-na. Look at those strange eyes. Does anybody else have some glasses? We can look at all that light.
I do.
Can you guys say refraction?
Refraction.
And so here's a picture of refraction. Who's got some glasses we can try? Bring them here. Where's your glasses? Let's see your glasses. And here's some glasses. We'll see what kind of refraction you have. Ready? Check it out. Oh, look at it. There's like a halo around yours. Cool. See that, guys? You see it? Very cool. Yes, you want one more? We'll try one more. Come on up. My glasses are lots of refraction. And let's see. Oh, another halo. Look at the halo. Cool. Nice refraction. Nice refraction. So light refracts and light reflects. I'm going to show you one more thing it does. If it's not reflecting, it's not refracting, it's absorbing. Let's look at that next. Okay, so let's talk about how light absorbs. I have a white shirt on, right? And my friend here has a black shirt. They absorb light differently. All right, so I'll tell you what. Shine your light on me, and look how bright that shirt is. Now shine your light right here, and look how it absorbs it. Let's come a little bit closer. Everybody turn your lights out for a second. Just as one. Come close. Okay, stop. Shine right here. See how that's kind of a light gray? Now shine on my shirt. Can you tell a difference? Which one's brighter? Shine here. Shine here. Which one's brighter? I am. White reflects, black absorbs. Go ahead and try that on your desk and on the floor. All right, so we had a chance to look at light that reflects or bounces, light that refracts, which is bends, and light that absorbs. But let's look at refraction one more time. All right, take a look at your cup of water on your desk. Don't pick it up. Look at it from the side, So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to look at it from the side. You know that light slows down when it gets into water. Take your straw, and while you're looking at it, put your straw in from the side and tell me what you see. Check it out. Okay, leave your glass on the side, shine a light through it from the side, and look how the light bends. See how it bends? Go ahead and draw that picture on your worksheet, and I'd like to see how well you do. I like how this one goes up and then jumps way over here. Excellent job, excellent job. What are three things that light can do?
Reflect, refract, and absorb.
Reflect, refract, and absorb. Excellent. We went outside a moment ago and we saw the sun, which is a source of light, and we saw the clouds. What color are the clouds?
White.
Well, let's try this. You're going to love this. Here is air. Let's say this is air. And when light goes through the air, this is air. When it goes through it, it's just clear, right? Clouds don't look like that, do they?
No.
What color do clouds look like?
White.
White. So let's put some particles right here. Here's some particles I'm going to put. Just a little bit of milk. Watch. In fact, turn the lights out. Let's see what happens here. Ready? Watch. You see? Now it looks like when I put the light through it now, what does it look like? A cloud. Bring me your water one up here, please. So here is a cloud because there's particles in it, and here is straight light where there's no particles. So we have two of these. That's kind of cool. A cloud and no particles. But you know what? The sky has lots of different colors. Would you go? There's a color paddle on your paper there. Go bring that here. Here we go. There's a couple of them. Bring that one. Check this out. What's going to happen to put that underneath it? What's going to happen if I do this? Ready? What do you think? Predict? Oh, is there a different color? Bring a different color. Bring a different color. Put it underneath there. Oh, here we have blue. And even the ceiling. In fact, is there a different color? What about a paddle? Bring one of those plastic paddles. Here we go. Check it out. Here's an orange one. Well, let's do one more experiment. Bring me a green and a blue. Ready? Here we go. Here comes the blue. Here comes the blue. Oh, look at this. Blue. Now, where's the red? Bring me the red. Check it out. Move the blue away. Move the blue away. Move the blue away. Put the red in. Get underneath it. Now let's put the blue and the red. Anybody want to predict what color it's going to be with both of them? Let's find out. Go ahead and put the blue and the red together. And what do we get? Purple. Let's put them both together. One person hold them. Look at that. Pull one away. Nice. So go ahead, use the color paddles and your water and see if you can change the color of light. So we can try different colors. Let's point them at the camera, now up at the ceiling, everybody at the ceiling, and down at the ground. And then everybody color me. I feel colorful today. Wow. I feel all the colors. This is nice. I feel the green. I need a little more blues. but mostly
I got pink.
maybe some less red. What do you think? Ah, there we go.
got some pink.
Hey, let me show you something really cool. Check this out. Okay, so let's try this. Let's put the red. Show me red up here. Here's red. Show me green. Now keep the, okay, show me blue. Put the green down. Just blue. Just red. Just green. Just blue. Now let's put all three of them up there. Red, and right at the dot, look what color it turns. When you put them all together, it makes it white. But watch what happens. Ready? Hold that. Hold it. At the dot, aim for the dot, red. Ready? Watch what happens when I put my hand here. Check it out. The shadow is all different colors.
Yes.
And when they blend in, we mix them. Let's do red and blue only. Red and blue only. And what color do we get? Red and blue only. Purple. Let's do red and green and see what we get. Red and green together. Orange. Let's do green and blue together. See what we get. Green and blue.
Turquoise.
Turquoise. Cool. So when you go back to your seats, try to match these with a partner and see if you can combine colors. Go ahead and try it.
Put your hand in. Yours is so big. Scoot up. Put them right on the dot. We made pink slash purple, pink and purple slash purple and red. You mean blue?
Okay, one more thing I want to talk about light before we end the lesson. This is one of my favorites. It has to do with three things. A light source, an object, and a surface. And we call that a shadow. Shadow. And maybe we can black that out just for a second.
Sure.
Okay. Shadow. So you need three things for a shadow. Go ahead and in that box, draw right here, like for example, you need light, you need an object, for example, a spoon, so you need an object, right? And you need a surface. And if you have that, if you have light, you'll get a shadow on the ground. That a shadow is a dark area where the light has been blocked out. So you need all three of these. You need a light source, an object, and a surface for the shadow. Let's have some fun with shadows. All right, so let's make some shadows. I have a light, I have two objects, and I have a surface. Turn the lights out. Okay, guys, I want you to stand right here like this together. A little bit closer to the surface, closer to the board. Move to the board. Stop, stop. So, do you see a shadow? Not really. Let's add the light. Ready? You see a shadow?
Yes.
Put your hands up. You two put your hands up in the air. Okay. So here's a shadow. And now watch what happens if I move the light source like this. You guys don't move. I said don't move. Don't move. You're shrinking. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How did I get so big? Not only, keep your hands up, not only are they big, but no, don't move, don't move. I said don't move, look at them moving. So, you see, we have a light source, we have an object, and we have a surface. And the farther away I am, the shadow changes. What if the light source is over here? So big. All right, let's take a look at your hands. Let's see if we can make some animals out of your hands. Can you make any? Whoa. What kind of animal is that? Spaghetti fingers?
I have no idea. I know how to make a wolf.
All right, I'll tell you what. Let's use your light, your desk, and your hand to see if you can make, have a seat guys, see if you can make some shadows. I call this the alligator. Not really. Go ahead, try your own. Shadows.
A wolf.
That's a wolf? Nice. So you have a light source, an object, and a shadow. Who else can make one?
I can't make a dog. I can.
Let's see, show me. Very cool.
I made a bunny clapping.
A bunny clapping.
Nay, 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 nay.
You made a neigh-neigh. Okay, I don't even know what that is.
No, that's a horse.
Oh, a horse. Oh, that's a horse going neigh-neigh. I love it.
Oh, look, I can make the legs move.
Very cool. I tell you what, we've learned a lot about light in this class and how it reflects and refracts and absorbs. These kids have shined a lot of light on me when it comes to science, and I love it.